Hello guys, nice day guys. Good afternoon, nice day guys. Oh, guys, daghay sa kinan guys. Talaga busy si kuan guys Si Jaime, uy na sila Christmas decor guys. Oh. Guys, ilang Chinese garden. Nya diha guys. Mo nagkuan sa Sacred Heart guys, kana siya. Na ako sulod guys. Nindot ba diri guys kay daghay puno. Ana guys, building na senior high. Nya nay bata. Ayan guys, basahon na to guys. Chinese garden. On this 65th anniversary of the founding of Sacred Heart School at the New Cebu, we lovingly dedicate this Chinese garden to all the brave, and generous visionaries from China, Spain, Austria, Belgium, Canada, France, Italy, Mexico, and United States of America, who's following in the footsteps. And I hope St. Francis Xavier, Father Matthew Z, and companion left behind. Dagay puno bitaw diri guys, nindot kay tan-aon guys. Oh, murag ang init nga panahon, murag bugnaw ra sa imong panan-aw tungod sa kadaghang. Pwede po kamo pawayda guys, may kalingkuran. Yan na sila circle guys. Oh. Diba nice? 2020. Unya dito guys. Wala na may tubig, hubas na siguro. Building na siya guys sa high school. Grade 7 to grade 10. Ang dito guys, building na sa senior high. Grade 11 to grade 12. Pero giganahan siya there guys na lugar. Ag dito guys, soccer field na diha guys. Naitambok nga bata, cute kaayo. Nindot tagilang Christmas tree guys. Okay guys, thank you for watching. Keep safe everyone. Nice ba ya guys? Saan ang assign guys? Keep safe everyone, and God bless. Bye bye. Bye bye guys.